Hello everyone, welcome again. Let's learn about the data types which we are going to use in Python. So the first is text type. First is text type. It includes the string type of data. So if we print the type of X here, we will get string. The class of this X is string. Next is numeric type. Numeric type includes integer, float and complex values. If we print the type of X here, type of X, type of Y and type of Z, then we can see the type of X is integer, the type of Y is float and type of Z is complex. Then moving on, sequence type. Sequence type includes list, tuple, range. So we can see with the square brackets we can define list. If the brackets are round, then it is tuple. Most of the interviews question about the difference between the list and tuple. So the first syntax difference is clear. The square brackets is used to represent the list and the round brackets used to represent the tuple. So we can print the value of print X, type of X and type of Y. We can see the type of X is list and type of Y is tuple. This is the basic syntax difference between the list and tuple. Then how we can represent range? By using the keyword range. This will print range 0 to 6. And if we print the type of this X variable, so we can see the class is range. Range means if आगे जाके आपको जब कोडिंग में रेंज प्रोवाइड करनी होगी किसी लूप के लिए तो आप ऐसे कीवर्ड यूज करके रेंज प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो. रेंज 6. सो दिस विल इंक्लूड ऑल द नंबर्स बिटवीन 0 to 6. Okay. Then set type. Set type includes before set type we need to understand dictionary. This is mapping. This includes in the mapping type. So this is the dictionary. In name we are mapping John value. In age we are mapping 36 as the age of the John. So if we print the value of X, it will print name John, age 36. Here we can print only name also by using X, then in the brackets, in round brackets we can give name. So it will print just name John. X variable having two components, name and age. So we can print individually also X with name John, and we can also print X age 36. Okay, if we print the type of X, if we print the type of X, the class is dictionary. This is included in the mapping tables. We are doing mapping here. John map to name and 36 map to age. Moving on, set type. Set type includes set, this is set, curly brackets used to represent the set, and we can also use frozen sets. Frozen sets is like we need to put here a round bracket with the keyword frozen set and round bracket, then in the bracket we are giving set. So let's print the value of Y and X. So you can see this is set and this is frozen set. Okay. And if we want to print, okay, this is set and this is frozen set. Then Boolean type. Boolean type is true or false. We can give the value true to variable or false to variable. So let's print the type of X, class bool. Similarly, you can give X is equals to false, then print the type of X, then it is also give class bool. Then last data type is binary type. It includes byte, byte array and memory view. Let's print the value of Y. Print Y. This is giving B hello. So if we print the type of Y, so you will see bytes. And this is byte array. If you print X, type of, you need to use, sorry, here two variables X and Z. If we give type of X is byte array, and if we give memory view of the byte array, then we need to give memory view, bytes, and then 5. Let's print these values, print Y, print X, and print Z. So you can see this is the byte array. 5 times we are getting this value, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And memory view is like this much memory is used to store this bytes. Okay. And we can also give none to any variable. So this is the none type. If we print this type of X here, you will get none type here. You can see class none type. If the value in any variable is none, then the type of that variable is none type. That's all for data types. Thank you.